Good morning, guys. It is 5:30 in the morning. Daniel and I are headed to the Bahamas today. Our car service is here right now, so I don't want to take too long, but I wanted to tell you guys that we're on our way to the Bahamas and bring you guys along. And this is my little fit. I'll show you guys when we're in the airport. But our flight is at 8:30 and I'm super tired, but I have a really strong spray tan going. That's why I look so tan. But I'm so excited, and I'll see you in the Bahamas. We made it through security. We're getting Starbucks, and then we're gonna go find our gate and then probably get something to eat because we're starving. The time is 6:55. You guys already know Hudson News is my favorite place to be. Obsessed. I have to get Daniel an Essentia, and I think I'm gonna get one too, and then some snacks for the flight. I don't know if you guys can hear me because it's pretty loud, but we're about to take off, and me and Daniel have an empty seat in the middle. We're so excited, and I gotta show you my snacks. I'm going with a yellow theme this trip, like my yellow nails, don't mind my tan hands, but I got white cheddar Chex Mix, I got lemon almonds, M&M's, literally everything's yellow, did not do that on purpose, an Essentia, and high chews. So yeah, I have my yellow Dagny bag. I'm gonna read this book on the flight, if I could find it.
Flight attendants, please let me doors to departure, cross-check, stand by, roll call.
I'm so excited. Okay guys, so we made it. Here's the little room tour. We have our little king size bed. We love her. And oh my God, the hotel gave us flip-flops for me and Daniel, and this cute bag, which I'm definitely gonna use for the beach. These water bottles, love that. What is this? Bottle opener maybe? And then our view is insane. Let's hope I can get this. So here's our view. I'm shook. It's sickening. So we're gonna go explore the grounds. This is like only the one part of the whole resort. The whole rest of it is over there. So we're gonna look around, go to the beach, eat lunch. Definitely getting a picture here, 100%. And yeah, this is the room. I'll show you guys the bathroom. So nice. His and her sinks. We made it to the cove. Okay. We made it to Atlantis. Oh my God. This is amazing. Our adult only pool. Oh my God. So pretty. We're walking around trying to find food, and we just got to the main lobby. No way. There's a full-blown like aquarium down there. Oh my God, let's go down. Oh my God. It's huge. What? I've never seen it goes up. So we finally found a place to eat, and we're sitting outside at a marina. It's so pretty. It's getting really hot though. And I got fish and chips. We started with a tuna tartare. And Daniel got a lobster roll. These fries are really good. And we have a restaurant called Fish tonight that we have a reservation at 9:45. We were just saying that we feel like we have the island to ourselves, or the Atlantis, because there's no one here. It's kind of crazy. This is like this little village in a marina. We just obviously finished eating. And there's just no one really here. So we're gonna go lay by the pool until dinner and just chill. Do you guys recognize this from a commercial? Because this was my whole childhood, wanting to come right here. No, not the fin coming up. No, ew. Sharks are my biggest fear. This whole thing is sharks. Ew, I'm sick. Just facing my fears again. Oh my god, no. Nope. No. No, that's absolutely no. So terrifying. We're headed to dinner right now. We got kind of lost walking around this absolutely massive resort. But we're going to, actually no, I'm sorry, we're going to the casino now and then dinner. Come here. Hi, baby. Come here. Oh. So we're headed to dinner. We're going to this place called Fish by Jose Andres. So stunning in the lobby. The restaurant's right over there. I didn't show you my outfit because I was in a rush and we were at the casino, but I'm wearing this dress from Princess Polly. I'll try to show you guys better later. And these shoes from Primark. They were literally $7. So cute. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells really good. So pretty. Stunning. Wow. This restaurant is so pretty. Definitely gonna get a lot of seafood tonight.
Good evening. Welcome to Fish by Jose Andres. My name is.
So I got the scallops, mac and cheese, and Daniel got the steak. Good morning, guys. It's the first full day. This is my fit, and we're going to get breakfast. The lighting's really weird because this is my view. Insane. But we're going on the elevator that I'm late for. Walking into breakfast. Place is called Mosaic. Breakfast buffet. Oh, it's still 12. Good to know. We have to definitely go in there. I forgot face wash. About to get our buffet food. Daniel's getting bacon and eggs. Oh, pastries over there is right in my alley. We made it to the beach. So pretty. I'm gonna sit over here. It's crystal clear. And I just took some pictures. Daniel took them of me. I got these shoes from Amazon. They're so comfortable. And same with this little seersucker set. Oh, I see them. So I just got some coconut water. It's actually one of the best that I've ever had. We're just still enjoying our beach day. Daniel got a beer. And we're gonna get lunch at a different hotel later called Bahamas. So I'll vlog that once we get there. So we're at Bahamas. We're trying to find the restaurant that Daniel's parents recommended. I think it's by the beach, but this place is so pretty. Gorge. Just got some Starbucks. I got matcha pistachio, and Daniel got a coffee. And we're gonna go get some breakfast in the village down here, and then possibly swim with dolphins. We just got amazing looking donuts. I got Oreo, Daniel got strawberry, and I also got 2 eggs any style. So did Daniel. So we're gonna eat. Got my matcha, and then we're gonna head to the dolphins. There's a big sea turtle. Oh my god. This is some of the clearest water I've ever seen. It's a bit wavy, but it's so pretty. We're doing the dolphins tomorrow and over tonight. I just can't get over this water. So we're at Nobu finally, and we got the famous yellowtail jalapeno. Oh, crispy rice. You make yourself. What is this? Ceviche, tuna tacos. I got a margarita, edamame, and the crispy rice. We have banana spring rolls and dark chocolate donuts for dessert. It's the next day and we're at the marina. And look at this boat. Yeah. It's crazy. There's a pool, there's 3 levels. These boats are incredible. We're gonna go eat at Murray's right here, get some donuts. I got a Starbucks again, and I'll show you my outfit. Bikini top is Shop We Wore What, and the same little set from Amazon. So we're about to kayak with some dolphins. I see a few of them out there already. Good. We're kayaking. Yeah. Let's go. Guys, I'm so excited. I wonder how many dolphins are there. So I didn't get to film on the kayak, but here's a dolphin. We got really close to a ton of them. Oh my god. Wow, we're at the Bahamas Hotel waiting for our dinner reservation, and they have this fire display on the water. It's so cool, so pretty. Oh. Okay guys, it's sadly the last day, but I wanted to show you a little present that Daniel got me. I'm freaking out. It's on this finger. I can't believe it. We got it before dinner yesterday. They had a Cartier at the other resort. And we walked in and he got me this ring. I'm still a little bit in shock about it. It's so stunning. I'm so grateful. And sadly, it's our last day here. And with this beautiful, beautiful view, we're gonna get breakfast and then head to the airport. And then back to New York City. So yeah, it's so sad leaving on the last day. Literally rolling our suitcases away. It's so sad. Oh. We're gonna get breakfast first though, so at least we have a little bit more time in the sun. Then back to freezing cold New York we go, but I'm not complaining because New York is also amazing, but you can't beat this weather. My little airport fit. White Fox, Princess Polly, New Balances, and a mask.
The water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips. So